friends, welcome back to read another interesting story. The Bird with Two Heads. There lived a two-headed bird named Barunda. One day he found a golden fruit. One of the two heads started eating the fruit and found it very tasty. The other head said, "Let me also taste the fruit." The first head replied, "We have only one stomach. Whichever head eats, the fruit will go to the same stomach." Later one day, the other head found a tree bearing poisonous fruits. He took the poisonous fruit and told the first head, "I will eat this poisonous fruit and take revenge." The first head yelled, "Please don't eat it. If you eat it, both of us will die." But the other head didn't bother and ate the poisonous fruit. Thus, both of them lost their lives. The moral of the story is, it takes two to make a quarrel, but only one to end it. Thank you.